Al from Coda here. This is a walkthrough of the business model canvas template from Product School. If you want to use this template for yourself and have all the changes saved to your doc, you can click on this How to Use this Business Model Canvas template button right here, and this will copy this template to your Coda workspace. Bunch of instructions here on how to use the business model canvas. You probably may have seen this canvas before. It kind of looks like this. There's different quadrants where you can fill in key parts of your business with the goal of tying every single one of your key activities to a customer segment and to a revenue stream. So let's first start seeing how we can use this template, and it's meant to be used collaboratively with your team. Start by assembling the team. We have a bunch of teammates here. You can, once you share this template with your teammates, you can start adding them to this list right here. And you also have a timer for how long you want this exercise to last. Let's say we want it to last for 30 minutes. And I can click Start Timer. And this will start counting down. And let's go on to Map Out Business. This is where you start filling out the key portions of your business model canvas. This is dummy data from Amazon, where you can see all the different customer segments, value propositions, again, all the different parts of the business model canvas. Click on Clear Data if you want to just remove all this data from the canvas. But if you want to, let's say, add something to value proposition, you can say for customers, it's the fastest shipping. And you'll automatically show up in the added by list. And let's go on to the next step once you've filled out the business model canvas. This is, I think, the most important part of the business model canvas, which is connecting the value propositions. We have all the different value propositions here that we have added for Amazon. And the important thing is to tie the value prop to a customer segment, and two, the revenue stream, to see how you're driving value for your customers. So I have for customers the fastest shipping, the associated customer segment, and this will automatically filter down to whatever you wrote in the customer segment in the previous step. This is retail clients. And the associated revenue stream, again, this also pulls from the revenue stream quadrant in the previous page. High margin, let's say the low, this is related to AWS, let's say this is e-commerce. And now you can see how your individual value propositions for your startup is tied to a target customer and to a revenue stream, which is really the key kind of lifeblood of your business, right? Customers and revenue. Finally, the review page is kind of like a nice consolidated view of everything that you've written in your business model canvas. You can write notes here as you and your team are discussing this canvas. And if you click on each of these drop downs below, you'll see everything that you wrote in the very first the second step of this template. And that is essentially the business model canvas template.